Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you are signed in with the correct phone number. This method works only if you have a backup or you create one before messages are deleted again. First, check that you are logged into your Google account on Android or your iCloud account on iPhone. WhatsApp uses these accounts to store backups. Make sure you have enough free storage and a stable internet connection. Now go into WhatsApp settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap Settings. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom. Open Chats and then tap Chat Backup. Here you can see the date of your last backup. If it is old or missing, tap Backup now. Keep your phone unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi. Do not close the app while the backup is running. Wait until the process is fully completed. To protect your messages in the future, set the backup frequency to daily. On Android, also confirm the correct Google account is selected. On iPhone, make sure iCloud Drive is enabled. After the backup finishes, your messages are saved. If messages are deleted later, reinstall WhatsApp and restore from the backup during setup. Thanks for watching.